So if you're wondering whether your Audible credits expire or not, then this video is for you. Yes, your Audible credits would expire after 1 year after they have been purchased. So you can check your available credits by going to the credits summary page. Here you will see that the available credits, titles in your library, the credit types you can also see here. So once you buy the Audible Premium Plus membership, then the credits are already included in that, and each credit is good for one title, which means that you can buy one book with one credit regardless of the price or length of the audiobook. So you can keep your credits for up to a year before they expire. Another important thing that you need to keep in mind is that if you cancel your membership, you will lose all the remaining credits. You can keep track of your credits by looking at the credit summary page, and you can also get a notification for the new credits and the credits that are expiring if you turn on the app notification on your phone setting. The good news is that now you can use your credits to gift your friends and families. You can learn more by clicking on this link.